recording it after everything because I realized that I didn't make the intro. That's why y'all didn't see the video posted on Friday, and we had a lot more technical difficulties, but all that's handled. But nevertheless, welcome back. We got our 2018 Audi S5 Prestige. So we're gonna hop into it. Like, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and if you want sneak peeks of what's going on, always check out our Instagram. Okay? But without further ado, let's get into it. Look what we have here. New build, just arrived.
Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you run away. To let you know we spin the blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, yeah. Losing control.
Fires off the set. And then up to the plant.
We got the car off the trailer. Now I'm just gonna try to take the hood off, so when we're opening the doors, it won't scratch the side of the doors, because it already damaged the doors. So I'll put something right here for it not to damage the doors. So let's just take the hood off. Yes, it's a lot of damage. So we're just gonna put two wheel dollies on the back wheels and put it inside the garage.
Everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit Mo. I hit a lot on my model, roll up gelato and throttle a couple models to Cairo. Fully brought up the bottles, I'm going ham. This ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break a night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mine, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's wanna come up and you live with us.
Got the car in the garage, but the back is on dollies, so I'm gonna push it out a little bit so we can wash it out, because I hate how it's dirty. I'll end up pulling out some stuff out of the car, but we're gonna get into all the damages that's on the car and the stuff that we got with the car, and hopefully we have the key and we'll just go from there. So we're gonna push this car out, give it a quick wash, clean down inside, and then we go from there. Let's hop into it. So I'm the only one here. I try to push the car, but this car is very heavy, so I'm probably gonna need some help. So I'm probably just gonna start cleaning out inside and cut these airbags out. So yeah, we got a little rubbing on the door.
So we got the dash, the steering wheel airbag, the curtain airbag, the knee airbag on the driver's side. Then on this side, we just have the curtain airbag on this side. This seat belt is still good. The driver's side is locked up, and both passenger sides are locked up. So I already pulled the battery out and the tire. So, but let me show y'all what I got with the car. So that's the tire right there, and the piece that goes over it. We got some all-weather mats with the car. See? So it's all-weather mats all around. This piece broke off. Still trying to figure out what that is. That looks like the compressor right there. Oh, I took the battery out, and this is what we got. Speakers and this right here.
From the basement, we only going up. They loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all about the trigger bus. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing. Yeah, the cup it runneth over. Tidal wave up in the ocean.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? But we got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
So as y'all could see, inside has a lot of dust. So I'm gonna start cleaning. So I'm gonna put y'all in a quick time lapse.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo. I hit the lotto, my motto. Roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham. This ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fuck's up.
Now I gotta install the battery. But before I do that, I'm gonna install this pyro fuse. Just got it, so in the mail. So I'm gonna install the pyro fuse in it. The only thing is, I still haven't found the key. So I gotta find how much is for a key now. But for now, let's install this pyro fuse, put the battery back in, see how many miles the car has. Then we're gonna do a walk around of all the damage, assess everything, and then we go from there.
Never an average night. 2-4 hours up in the day. I gotta make it right. 18 of those. I'm in the cave. I gotta make.
So as you can see, this is the pyro fuse right here. So I'm gonna pull this old one out and put the new one in.
Came from the basement, we only going up. They loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all about the trigger bus. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing. Yeah, the cup it runneth over. Tidal wave up in the ocean.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? But we got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Make sure you line it up with the grooves in so it goes back to the right spot. and then just press it in. So now the new fuse is in. Now we're just gonna put it back together. So now that we got the new one in, now we're gonna put the battery in.
Watch this. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go
We got light.
every beat I'm on. Yeah, you know that I slaughter, and I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody, daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sitting contemplate.
I guess someone took the negative one off, but we have the positive one on. All the wires and everything are back in place. Now we're gonna put the next bracket over. And the battery and everything is back in. Let's see. So this piece is on. The middle piece is broken. It's cracked. I guess someone was trying to take off everything. If you could see the crack, it's right there. And these pieces are broken, so I'll probably have to get a new one. But let's just put everything in and we go check out the inside. So that's it. And the back looks good. Yeah, so got those lights. I mean, in the interior it does look good. I love how it looks. Carbon fiber right here. Right here. We have the carbon fiber that goes all the way across. Even the door panels have carbon fiber. I love the gray interior. I was trying to clean it off, but there's still a lot of grease on the seats. If you could see all the dirt, but I did the best that I could. I'm gonna try to get like some leather seat cleaner and clean them off. There's the back. So as you can see, the airbag right there, this one, and this one. So this rim is good. Here we coming up to some damage at the fender. This wheel, this rim is good. I love these rims. So now we've got a little frame damage. A lot of damage right here, but this is a lot of plastic pieces. Hopefully nothing happened to the turbo. This frame is bent over here too. So as you already know, the hood is over there, bent up. Black mirrors. I love the black and white accent of the car. So now this rim, I love how big these calipers are. So this rim is bent bad. So hopefully none of the tie roddings are bent, because that's gonna be pretty expensive. But everything else, apart from the door, this happened when we're taking the car off the trailer. The hood scratched the door. So then this black back wheel right here is cracked. But in the back, there's no damage on anything in the back. So that's the good thing about it. So let's see how many miles it has. I love the dash. So we have 19,277 miles. They said it was 18,000, but that's still good. And we got the heads-up display right here. And this is pretty much it. Don't have the key cap, so I can't start it. So I don't know. But yeah, See? No key. So I'm gonna try to get the key somehow, or get somebody to come out here and program the key for us. But love how it looks. So I mean, we have a good amount of features and use of the features and the stuff down here. I love how this thing glows right here. It's pretty cool. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode on We Rebuilds. We have the new build. It's finally here. I've been telling y'all about it. It's a lot of work, honestly. I don't even know where to start. I don't have the key, so now I gotta think about get somebody to come here and test it and program it to let us know if the engine at least turns over, so we could at least know we could start the rebuilding process just like how we did with that BMW. I'm gonna try to see if I could get another car that gets hit in the back so we could have all the parts in the front. But I also seen another car already, but this is the Prestige, and the other one that I see is the Premium Plus. So I mean, I don't know, but that's all for this episode. We clean inside of the car. Maybe another day we'll try to push the car out because I'm the only one here and I didn't have anybody to help me to push it out. But on the weekend I'll probably have some of my buddies come over and we could just push it outside, give it a quick wash so we could see how that white and black really flows together. But inside does look good. It has a lot of features. I can't wait to start on this build, hear the engine turn over for the first time, start putting some parts on and get this thing ready for the road. I mean, build it better than OEM, right? Yeah. So like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. You can get a sneak peek on the car when you check the Instagram out, We Rebuild. But until next time, stay positive, stay motivated.